Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up video in CapCut. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to open the CapCut application, and here you can see I have this sort of interface that is already ready. So next what you have to do is import the video. So what you have to do is click on import and select the video that you want to import in CapCut. So I already have imported this video. Now let's drag it to our timeline, which I already done as well. So let's go ahead and mute this audio. Alright, so now to speed up the video, what you have to do is click on the video itself, and once you do that, here you can see there are various options, among which you have to do is click on speed. So once you do that, what you have to do is increase the speed. There is this bar over here. You can either type in, for example, I want to make it 5 times, and here you can see it is now sped up 5 times. So let me remove the music as well, and here you can see the speed is 5 times more. So likewise, what you can do is drag this bar. So you can just drag this bar, make it 32 times, and as you can see, you can make it 100 times as well. Let's go ahead and see it once again. So yeah, that's it. That is how you'll be able to speed up video in CapCut. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.